Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's find language and region. And here we can choose, for example, region, and it can be Germany. And here we can choose the language. Now it is English applied, but here we've got the full list of available languages which we can use. And let me choose, for example, Indonesian. And to apply it, simply click on Done here. Your device will ask you if you want to change the system language, so let's click on Change to Indonesian, and you have to confirm it by drawing the pattern or the password which you have got applied. And from now on, as you can see, the full system will be changed and in chosen language. So to turn it off, simply let's get back and click on English. Click on Apply, again confirm, and that's all. This is how you change the language in your OPPO A52, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.